So I'm going to be turning left in at this lake, that's my visual reference point. Go back the way we came. Helicopter Oscar Tango X-ray, just southwest of Port Alcudia, maintaining 1,000 feet on course to Crestach.
Son Bonet, there is Sky 01, Santa Maria, 700 feet in course to Son Bonet, there is traffic.
So that's Sao Pablo. Crestach is just off to the right here. That's our course. We'll pick up the highway. You can just see it there at about sort of 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock there. And then that'll be our course back to Son Bonet.
So, Sid 14 Sierra, 2 miles south, Alcudia on course to Sao Pablo.
So he's at Alcudia, he's on course to Sao Pablo, so he's behind us. Helicopter Oscar Tango X-ray over Campanet, holding 1,000 feet on course to Inca. For traffic information, Helicopter Oscar Echo X-ray Tango X-ray, I'm just north of Inca, maintaining 1,000 feet. I'll be on course to Santa Maria.
We are at your 12 o'clock.
Understood, I'll keep a lookout, not got visual yet.
Correction, at your 6 o'clock. We have you in sight.
Perfect.
We are at 1,000 feet below you.
So we've got some traffic behind us, just did a quick radio call.
So 615 Sierra making a right orbit to maintain traffic separation with the helicopter over Inca.
Okay, so yeah, we've just, those guys there's about 2 flight schools in this fixed wing. I just did a bit of a radio call there just to let them know where I am. Obviously they were that side of Inca, I'm north, and he's said he's got me in sight because he's behind me and he's going to do an orbit of Inca just to get me.
Charlie, turning crossing runway 23 and leaving the circuit and course to November Whiskey and switching to tower frequency.
Just to give me some time to get out of his way.
Andrea, do you have me in sight? Negative.
Maintaining that separation. But we'll just maintain 1,000 feet, we'll stay between 70 and 80 and we'll just get out of the way. Well, we don't need to put ourselves under any pressure, he's got us
Flight school for Sierra, for flight school 5 Sierra.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to carry on here, we're at Binasalem here, we're going to go to Santa Maria, I'm going to go to November, which is the cement factory. I'll do an orbit of that and I'll join the circuit downwind, right base and then land runway 23.
Flight school 615 Sierra, approaching Binasalam with traffic helicopter in flight.
Helicopter Oscar Tango X-ray north of Santa Maria, maintaining 1,000 feet, direct to November. Yeah, so I can see the flight school behind me. It wasn't far behind at all. So we'll go to November. We'll go round the back of November. We'll head to rejoin the circuit downwind of runway 23, which is I imagine what he will do, and then we'll come in, land, and put it back on the helipad. Helicopter Oscar Tango X-ray. Over November, holding 1,000 feet, on course to rejoin the circuit downwind runway 23. Is there any traffic in the circuit?
Flight school 615 Sierra, approaching November with the helicopter in sight, 1,000 feet.
Well, they're literally on my tail. They must be like, I'm only at 85.
Flight school 614 Sierra, reaching Santa Maria in course to November at 1,200 feet.
Okay, so there's nothing in the traffic, nothing in the circuit. Beauty of this is he'll have to fly quite a large circuit to join the downwind, so he'll probably go over there, come in where I can...
Ecco, salivo già aquí 4.000 pies de la vertical de Cineo, en curso a Expo y posteriormente circuito de Binasalem. ¿Algún tráfico en la zona? Son Bonet traffic, November 504 days, Tango, backtracking runway 23 for departure runway 23. Any traffic in our area, please advise.
Oscar Tango X-ray, rejoining the circuit downwind of runway 23.
Roger, I'm departing early.
Oscar Tango X-ray, right base, runway 23. Okay, back in the circuit. Alright, so let's start pulling the carb here. I'm going to aim for the cemetery. We're at 900 feet, so I'll maintain that. Okay, carb is pulled. Helicopter Oscar Tango X-ray, final runway 23. Helicopter Oscar Tango X-ray, short final 23. Beat back in.
Flight School 615 Sierra joining downwind runway 23.
Media 2 Oscar Echo, tapped into holding point runway 23 and the traffic on beta final.
Helicopter Oscar Tango X-ray, vacating runway Sierra 2. Oscar Tango X-ray, runway vacated, taxiing to the helipad.
Media 2 Oscar Echo, with no traffic report, the runway 23, entering for backtrack and departure.
Flight School 615 Sierra, last third of downwind runway 23. Flight School 614 Sierra, traffic on the with pattern with report position. Flight School 615 Sierra, turning base runway 23.
Media 2 Oscar Echo, lining up for takeoff runway 23.
Copy the 2 traffic, Flight School 614 Sierra is joining the circuit on right, downwind runway 23.
Palmer Operations, Helicopter Oscar Echo X-ray Tango X-ray. Can you close my flight plan, please?
Close your flight plan at 57, thank you.
So that was flying all the way up to Alcudia, about 45 minutes, a bit longer than that. Flying all the way up to Alcudia, down to Campicfort across the coast, and then backtracking on ourselves. Had quite a bit of traffic actually from Mallorca anyway. All of us following the exact same flight path, which was interesting. So yeah, some good radio work, and yeah, really good. I enjoyed it.